All right, I got one of these for my grandson so he can lose his mind on it. And boy, does he ever. This is FirstE. It's a 48 inch, which is quite large. And that's 48 inches from here to here. So it's a little bit less than 48 inches, the actual bouncing surface. But it works great for him. It's got a rail on here. You got a nice little rail. And the only complaints that have been said about this thing is the things just come loose, like these tighteners here. And the legs will come loose and then break from bouncing. So I want to show you how to fix that real quick with the Loctite. But this thing is fantastic. My wife's tried it. The grandkids love it. It's a FirstE 48 inch foldable trampoline, and it takes up to 440 pounds. I really researched this a lot and looked for every different brand, every type, and the really, really expensive ones. I just can't go out and spend that kind of money. I mean, $600, $800 for one of these things, I just can't do it. But for this money, I spent $120, and it's been well worth it. And even the Bulldog gets on it. Figure that one out. So anyway, let me get to the point here where I tell you about how to Loctite it, and then a conclusion. Now, one of the complaints is that when the legs come loose, they break off. So the best thing I can think is to use Loctite thread locker, red 271, and just put a little on the threads there. Okay. And then just tighten it back on. So it's hand tight, nice and good hand tight. Good to go. Give it the time to cure. And then once it cures, you should be good to bounce, and it won't come loose anymore, because these do come loose a lot, like the reviews say. And put some on all of these too. Here, here, and the other two there also. Okay, now you know how to put the Loctite on, and I will put on the description below where you can get the Loctite at, and also the instructions how to put it together. It's really easily assembled. It takes two people. One person, it's like trying to open up a bear trap, a big one. So the only way I can explain it is to have two people open this thing up. You'll see the instructions in the description below, and you can go to the link, and it's FirstE's link to put this together, and you can just do about anything on these. And they say 10 minutes is like running for 40 minutes on this thing, bouncing around on it. So that's what they say by the people that work out on this thing. 10 minutes equals 40 minutes of running. So it sure makes my grandkid tired. So good luck, God bless, and it works for me.